Hello, and welcome to another update video about Near. The Near protocol is still in this consolidation pattern, and it's a similar consolidation, to what we had here. Looks corrective in the decline. This looks a bit smaller, which makes sense because this here was a B wave. It already, at the time, could have counted as a wave 4 as well, and I could still do that, but then we have a very much extended fifth wave, so I rather count it as an AB. With now a C wave to the upside, which could get one more high. And then we have 5 waves up in the C wave. And I have then a completed ABC structure to the upside. And then, we could form a more substantial top in what would be wave 1. And we're looking for a wave 2 pullback. It is not a great structure to the upside, I have to say that. Doesn't mean it's bearish. No, it just means I don't have a very good read of the microstructure. Still, though, I give my best. This support area that we had here at the time did also hold just about. At the time I did interpret it as a wave 4, so it reached the 50% fib level of this move up. It was too deep really for a reliable wave 4. I think if I remember that correctly, I had it drawn like this or like this. Yeah, I think like this from this swing low, because it was 1, 2, 3, 4. And it held the 50% fib level, which is fine. So it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as I said, but then the fifth wave is too long to be reliable. So I'd rather interpret it as an ABC structure. The C wave should have a 5-wave move. So again, in my interpretation, one more high is needed to complete the structure. And at the moment, we're likely moving in a wave 4 correction. Price action is very typical for a wave 4. We see that across the board at the moment, a lot of coins are moving in wave 4 corrections. The support region is defined between $4.68 and $6.60. I could probably lift the support area just slightly, but it wouldn't make a great difference. I'd rather give it a little bit more space because I don't have a very good read of the microstructure. So for me, the 50% fib level of this entire rally that started on the 23rd of January, that's the key level that divides between bullish and bearish momentum. And as long as we're holding above support, I'm looking for one more high into the region of $11.38 plus, possibly $11.80, maybe even $15.13. But that would be a bit of a stretch. Then, now that that's clear, upside targets and support levels are clear, let's look at the microstructure. And the idea is that this here is either an ABC structure. In the last update, I forecasted another decline. And that happened. The price has failed to reach 542. However, this would be the ideal target for a C wave in the yellow count. It doesn't have to get there, but it's common that a C wave reaches the 100% extension of the A wave. And this is a 3-wave move down. So I keep the door open still for a triangle pattern, which is blue, but I might just change it to white now. So we have a triangle pattern as a possibility as well, or this ABC structure. The ABC structure is highlighted in yellow and is for me the more probable pattern. But if I look at the microstructure now, as you can clearly see, it looks a bit like a 3-wave move down. And that can't be a C wave, so it would need one more low, and then the C wave would also not be an impulse, it would be a diagonal. The triangle is valid still. It would need one more lower high and one more higher low. So if we see now, in the D wave of the triangle, a small ABC structure, then we have a completed D wave, so it would need one more high in wave C, and then an ABC in the E wave. And triangles are rare in crypto, at least Elliott wave triangles, but it would make sense because a wave 4 can be a triangle, and a triangle is typically the second to last wave of a cycle. So if one more high is to come, that's fine, it fits in. But let's first see if the market reaches 542. Either way, a break above $8.11, this swing high that I've labeled as wave B in both yellow and white counts, would indicate already a successful breakout to the upside. So if that happens, and if it's a convincing break, we should reach basically this $11 what was it, $11.38 level next. That's my update about Near. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.